Fergus includes a set of quick actions on your home screen, designed to help you get things done faster and with fewer clicks. Let's take a quick look at what each action does. First up, create job. This works exactly the same as clicking new job in the top left corner. Next, create job from work order. While you can do this via the drop-down next to the new job button, this shortcut gives you another quick way to create a job directly from a work order. Then we have create quote or estimate. This button skips the job creation process and takes you straight to a draft quote. You'll still need to enter a customer and site before writing the quote, but it's a faster way to get started if quoting is your first step. Just remember, since no job has been created yet, you'll need to save your draft manually to avoid losing your work. Now, create invoice. Like the quote button, this one skips ahead, this time straight to the invoicing stage, without going through job creation or the job card first. Once you complete and save the invoice, Fergus will automatically create the job in the background. If this is the only invoice and you don't need the job card, you'll need to manually mark the job as invoiced to close it off. Just open the job, click Mark as ready to invoice, then manually mark as invoiced. Add customer is a simple, quick way to create a new customer, without needing to go into the Customers tab at the top of Fergus. And finally, schedule event, perfect for adding personal or non-job related events to your calendar, like doctor's appointments or a team meeting. If needed, you can always convert this event into a job using the option in the top right corner. And that's it. These quick actions are here to save you time and keep things moving.